What's good? 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 What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Another beautiful day. It's Wednesday. Tomorrow, checks will be updating in the back office for MyEcon. If you are involved in TCP, we get paid every Friday as well, guys. So you guys know what's going on. You know, we're talking about getting paid every Friday. You know, and pretty much, guys, it's Christmas time. It is what it is. It's the holiday season. People need money. People want to buy gifts. People want to do things extra for their families. And guess what? I'm helping people get in position. It is what it is. We got funnels, different funnels set up. We got, you know, if you want to do customized funnels, we have funnels that literally are done for you, where it literally gives you daily tasks on what to do with your leads. Literally everything to help you. So my thing is, why wouldn't you get involved with something like that? You know, and that's why I say it's all about making sure that you guys are in position. I hate bringing people in different programs and not showing them anything as far as how to capitalize and make money. You know, like I said, there's a lot of ways that you can do this, and I've been in this game for a long time. There's a lot of ways that you can do this as far as free methods, as far as generate traffic and stuff like that. But you got to put in the work. Free means you got to put in the time to do it. And sometimes people have more time than money. And some people have more money than time. So they're able to just say, you know what, I'm gonna put together a funnel, or I'm gonna get a funnel that's already done, and I'm just gonna send traffic to it. I'm gonna pay someone to do ads for me. I'm gonna pay someone to do my Facebook ads. I'm gonna pay someone to do my Google ads, my Bing ads. I'm gonna buy clicks. I'm gonna go and buy leads and call leads and talk to them. You see what I'm saying? That's what I mean is by people they actually go and buy traffic, and that's the fastest way to scale up, is actually going to buy traffic. And I believe in buying traffic. People let me over. Alrighty. Yeah, and I believe in buying traffic because, you know, the free stuff is always cool, you know, like I say, are good videos. Those are the things that I like doing as far as free. I love shooting videos. So like right now, you know, like I said, I don't have a problem with turning my video sideways and going to work. You know, just talking and just letting you guys know that there's things out here, that there's hope, there's things that you can do. There's, you know, you just got to lock in. You got to get your mind right and know that, hey, man, this is something that I want to do. This is something I'm going to push to the next level. And you got to do that. Okay? So with these systems here, like I said, these programs, one is designed to really help you financially. It's a financial literacy program where we're going to show you how to repair your credit. We're going to show you how to income shift, where we're going to show you how to put more money back into your pocket if you work a 9 to 5. So then you're already paying for your program. You see what I'm saying? And you got the marketing systems that are already in place that does the selling and telling for you. Okay? And when you do that, pretty much here, like I said, you combine affiliate programs, and then you make them make sense. That's how you make more money and you capitalize. The world is changing. The economy is changing. Literally. So many people are losing their jobs, man. So many people are looking for work, and they're not noticing that the internet is the key. There's so many people out here, man, and you can get involved. You just got to get in the right position. So, you know, trust people that you think that you want to rock with. I'm not saying you have to rock with me, but find something that you need to do, guys. My goal is to help people. I don't like doing it. Like I said, you would never see me doing these little rinky-dink programs. I hate just program. If I'm going to help you do something, I'm going to help you do something. I'm going to make sure that you can reach out to me. And that's what my goal is. So that's why I said, guys, Christmas is coming, and I want to help you guys make some money and put money in your pocket. Okay? You may be asking me, like, Jay, how much is all this stuff, man? Okay? MyEcon is $27, okay? $27 right now to join. And then with the conversion pros, you can join it for 14 days for free. You see what I'm saying? So, literally, guys, getting started for pennies, man. Some of you guys go on dates with more money than that. Dave & Buster's cost more money than that. You know what I'm saying? Dave & Buster's, when you go out at night at Dave & Buster's, that costs more money for you to join it and sign up for a program, and you to double your money, fix your credit. You know what I'm saying? Learn how to put more money back in your pocket. Learn how to invest money. You know, have a marketing system out here that people can use, that you can actually utilize for other businesses, and say, hey, you know, you can brand yourself. You can funnel leads through this particular type of marketing system. I can build pages for your particular business, so that way, you know, people are like, hey, you know what? I like the page. I want to pay you to buy. I want to pay you for this. And you're just managing their page. You see what I'm saying? A lot of ways you can make some money out here, and we're going to be able to set you up, but you got to be able to lock in. All right. So guys, here's the thing. I'm going to leave the information at the bottom. The Conversion Pros is a full marketing system. You're going to be able to build capture pages, sales funnels, literally training in the back office, and purchase leads in the back office. So guys, it's everything all in one. You can literally buy leads for your main program and talk to people about it. Okay, and then that way you're generating leads right away. Okay, so I'm going to leave the information at the bottom. I definitely look forward to working with you guys. So this your boy Jay. Hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.